Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. For today's very special video, I'm gonna teach you how to improve the battery life of your computer. So let's get started. First things first, you need to go for settings. How? Just simply type settings here at the bottom search bar, and then once this best match will appear, double tap to open. The moment you are being redirected to your settings, just wait. Go for the left side of it, and as you can see here, it has a lot of options or categories. In this manner, you can see here system under next to home. Just simply go for system. Here, it will shows a lot of the options that you can go with. In our case, since we're talking about improving battery life of our Windows, we are going to power and battery next to focus. Just click to open. The moment you open your power and battery, you can see here a lot of categories. It goes with power, battery, and more. Here, in order to save our battery life, in order to boost it, our battery life, then aligning this power mode, we need to go with either best power efficiency or balanced. Just simply observe your computer which works the best for it. Either it could be balance or best power efficiency. Okay? After that, you need to go for battery saver. Here, just press the down arrow here and it will shows three options. Here, aligning the battery saver, you need to make sure that this is turned on. Okay? This will completely save the battery of your computer. Might as well aligning this turn battery saver on automatically at, you can manually select the percentage that you wanted to. You can go with 10%, 20, 40, 50, or always. Okay? Might as well here in lower screen brightness when using battery saver, you can go with turned on, turned off, and simply observed once I turn this on, my screen will be lower. And if I turn this on, it becomes lighter. Okay? So those are the important steps on how to improve the battery performance of your computer. If you think that this video helps you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more upcoming video tutorials. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.